So you just bought a new washer and dryer, and it probably wasn't cheap. So we put together this guide on the most important maintenance tips so you're not shortening the lifespan of your washer and dryer. Starting with the clothes, make sure to watch out for any zippers. They can easily get caught in the drum of the washer or scratch the glass on the front loading machines. Be sure to zip up all zippers on your clothing before you place them into the washer. You'll also want to watch out for any hooks and underwires on bras, as they can easily get snagged on in the drum of the washer. To avoid this, you can simply buy a mesh laundry bag to put them in and prevent them from catching. And don't forget to take the time and empty out any pockets. Loose pocket change are serious hazards to the drum and can even damage the glass door of the machine. Now once the clothes are done, be sure to remove them right away, as they can get moldy if they're left there for at least a few hours. And when you finish the load of laundry, leave the lid up so that the washer can air out and water can evaporate. Even a little bit of lingering water can lead to mold or mildew. And when you go on vacation, make sure to shut off the water to the washer altogether so that pressure doesn't build up and cause the hose to burst. And to keep your washer running well and smelling good, every month or so you can pour a cup of vinegar and run it on empty on its hottest cycle. So the washer tips are pretty straightforward. Now the most important tips have to do with the dryer. An improperly maintained dryer will not only need to be replaced sooner, it also is a fire hazard. So first, you'll want to clean the lint trap. And most importantly, this should be done every time you use the dryer to avoid any buildup that would restrict the airflow to properly operate. Exhaust ducts are other places where lint can gather, causing your clothes to dry more slowly and use more energy than necessary. So to clean this, you can vacuum the duct every few months to prevent the lint buildup. And if you own a house, make sure the vent outside the home is clean and doesn't have anything blocking it. Apartment owners, you may have to hire a professional to check this for you. It cannot be emphasized enough, do not overload your dryer. And there are several reasons why this is a bad idea. First, it can cause your dryer to overheat. The motor can wear out quickly if it's regularly forced to work too hard. And a dryer motor repair is pretty expensive. A packed dryer also leads to poor airflow, which means your clothes won't dry properly. You'll end up running it longer than you should, use more energy, or you may even need to hang the clothes to finish drying them. Also, too many items in the dryer can cause additional wear and tear on the dryer's parts, such as the belts, pulleys, and spindles. And if you're looking for any home tips or interior design tips, be sure to check out these videos. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this helpful.